Let me teach you some festive makeup look tips and tricks. Step 1 is to use a long-lasting brow product. This brush upwards, start from the end. A quick tip, always use Vaseline when wearing such heavy earrings. Use a good primer for long-lasting makeup. You can always skip foundation with e.l.f. Halo Glow Liquid Filter. This will give you that glowy, dewy base. See how instantly it looks like I have a beautiful hair? Please prime your lips before starting makeup. Use a full coverage concealer. For easier application, use a brush like this. Brush really helps in getting into the inner corner. Quickly dab everything in with a nice wet beauty sponge for getting a flawless finish. For long-lasting makeup, a loose powder is very important. Take it on a puff like this, sweep in the back of your hand. It instantly sets your makeup. A fluffy brush like this, contour your double chin, jawline. I have this new blush, nice, gorgeous fuchsia pink. For eye makeup, easy eye makeup, you need such brushes. This is like a flat smudger brush. These are miniature brushes, you don't even need to spend that much. Same this and this. You need to use windshield wiper motion. When you're done, same bronzer. Put in your grease. You can easily stop here. You have a nice subtle smoky red. But since I'm a shimmer girly, I am putting some shimmer. See how gorgeous your eye makeup looks instantly. If you're getting something from this video, get this Rene Midnight Kohl Kajal. It's a pitch black dark kajal. It will not budge at all. Start with your lower waterline. Lash line you always lift and you apply. See how this looks so well defined already. That's the difference upper tight lining does to you. Many of you complain about your kajal bleeding, so you need to get a brush like this. This is like a very pointy tip. This is a mega brush. Get your black eyeshadow, dip it in straight, set your kajal. You see, it looks smoked out. The kajal will stay all night long this way. It won't budge, it won't bleed, and you will have beautiful kohl eyes. Always do this trick of putting out my kajal. Always curl your eyelashes. This makes a huge difference. If you want voluminous, long-lasting eyelashes, a lash primer is a must. One coat is enough. Mars makes one of the best lip liners. You blend it in with your finger. I'm using Smoked Almond by MAC. This mascara. Wiggle the mascara one through your lashes. Take this one and do it diagonally. This will give you length. Trust me, try this. Since the blush was cream base, you always set it with a powder. Super important tip. Take your powder again. Take a brush. Go back like this. Now your makeup will not move at all. Just here on the bridge. I absolutely love highlighter. I'm never getting over the highlighter phase. And we are ready for the festival. Be it dancing, be it a house party, anything. This makeup will last you. Try it and let me know.